Hello everyone, welcome to UBS. So today we are going to learn about offboarding, employee offboarding, how to do employee offboarding with UBS. So for that you need to do login in the UBS HRMS. After that go to the settings and first of all check with the employee exit task list. Here you will get list of tasks based on department. So UBS provide 3 default department and based on that 3 default department we provide default task. So the first step which you have to follow is you need to create all the department wise tasks which you are using in your organization, and along with that you need to assign this particular task plus you have to select due date. Like the task is knowledge transfer, so if your marketing person or finance person is going, then you wanted to take everything from them, all the information, so that also known as a handover process. So before how many days you want to complete that process, so here you need to select before 1 day. Before 1 day you want to complete all the knowledge transfer process, so you need to select that. So based on that person's exit date, this will work and this will show the due date to complete this particular task. So you need to create everything based on that. Once you did this process, after that you need to add the exit date for that particular employee by going to their employee list, select the person, go to the job and then select the employee exit. Here you need to add the exit process. Then and then you are able to see that list in the FNF list. Go to employee and FNF settlement list. So here you are able to see that list. First of all, whenever you are seeing this list, you will get this icon. Click on that icon and you will get the task. You need to complete this task to get this next button. Right now this task is completed, that's why you are able to see the next button. When you click on the next button, you will get general error list over here. So if there is any error which stop doing payroll, then you need to complete that error, same as a payroll. If you are aware about UPS payroll, then you are aware about this general error step as well. Let's check if we are able to get that somewhere else or not. Yeah. So this is general error. So here in step 1 there is an error that Ashutosh Nayak, whose payroll we are doing, his salary template is missing. So this is the error which we need to fix first, and then we are able to generate the letters. Okay. So for that, go to the now we'll go to the Dinesh Rajput again, click on the next. Here you need to select approved by and processed by. This is compulsory because this is going to display in the salary slip which we are going to generate after that. So in the right hand side here in the blue box you are able to see all the description which you have added in the employee exit thing. After that, actual payable day, that is 12 day. Why this is 12 day? The reason behind that is last working day of Dinesh Rajput is 14th April. That's why you are able to see 12 days over here. Organization payable day for April 2022 is 30 days, but from that 12 day is payable as Dinesh came to the office only for 12 days. There is no bonus added. Commission if you wanted to add you can. Leave encashment if you wanted to add you can. And in gratuity you can calculate gratuity based on this formula. Right now you need to do is manually, but after few months we are going to give this automatically. So this will count automatically, but right now you need to add if you wanted to. Here deduction. If your company is following the yearly leave and leave accrual process and your employee is going middle of the year and he has used more than that month's leave, as in if I am your employee and you have given me 12 leaves and I am leaving your company in the 7 months, I have used 9 leaves. So that 2 leaves which I have used extra, that deduction will directly apply over here without any calculation. It will directly came over here, so there is no hustle for HR now. After that, conditional discussion and files. So as UBS is connected with the PMS, here you will get the list of document which is confidential, which company has shared with Dinesh Rajput. That all the list will came over here. You just need that list is just for your reference, that these are the documents which is with Dinesh Rajput. Okay, here you are able to add the internal notes which is stay in between you. Dinesh is not be able to see that. After that, when you click on the generate later, you are able to generate that later. Let me show you that somewhere else. Allow me for 2 minutes. So then any letter is already generated, and then this log will display. It means that this payroll is already completed. This person's payroll is already completed. Now let me show you that. Here I have selected these names and generate letter. So this type of letter you are able to generate. Okay, here you will get the name of that person, right? And here if bonus and gratuity is added, then that also you are able to see in the salary slip. Then you can save it. Now here there is two filter, completed and remain. In completed there is Komal's name because it's already done and it's logged. You are able to make change as well. You are able to download it too. And in the remain there is Dinesh Rajput and Ashutosh Nayak. So there are two employees whose payroll is remain, like whose full and final is not done yet. After that, the tasks which are displayed over here is if that respective person is able to see that task and they are able to add comment, they are able to change the assignee, they are able to do everything with this task. This task can be completed by that person as well and by HR as well, but to go to the next step, this task should be completed first. And the person who is assigned this task is assigned to that particular person. They are not be able to get step 2 and 3 if they are not having access to do this. So no worry about that as well. If you wanted to see the same thing in the employee's profile, then also you are able to see that. Go to employee list, then click on the Komal Surti and go to the full and final settlement. Here Komal is also able to see the same thing. She is not able to get this plus icon, but I am able to, as I am a super admin. So these are the tasks which are assigned. After that, if she click on the show later, she is able to see her later as well, and she is able to download that too. When she click on show task, then she is able to show task. You are going to get the notification for this, which is going to release in version 2 of the full and final. Right now we are not able to get any notification. So this is all about full and final, and there are few rules which you need to take care in your mind. If you have added exit information, then you will get that person information in the full and final list. Second, if you have done the full and final from the here, then you are not able to get this person name in the payroll while you are doing payroll, but in the report, yes, you are able to get the name. Third, if you have not done the payroll and if you have run the payroll before completing the full and final, then that person's salary get done by the full and final, like in the payroll, and you are able to get this full and final detail completed. Okay, so this is all about full and final. If you have any query, any suggestion, please contact UPS support team.